Nature takes its time to grow something that lasts, but it takes you to give it a purpose, to turn wood into a witness. Because you can't just buy a ready-made life. You have to build it day by day, through the quiet gestures and the loud celebrations, the talks that mend, and the care that heals. From the lonely starts to the new chapters together. Some things are ready-made to save you time, while others give you the chance to make it meaningful. The best of life happens around this table. Have a seat